passing her days. Okay, so GK exam is in final round. So I hope you're revising your chapters nicely one by one. Very shortly we'll be sending the study materials. So be very alert and learn the chapters. Okay, so today we are starting the chapter Sporting Legends. You know what is sports? Sports are some of the games that are played outside. For example, badminton, tennis, wrestling, then chess also. Some of the games are played inside and some of the games are played outside. Okay, so here we are going to do, what do you play? Which is your favorite game? Be very alert. If I ask you the question in the final that what is your favorite game, you have to answer this question, because some of the questions are going to be taken from inside the chapters. Okay, so let's start. What do you play? These Indians are great sportswomen. They have won their medals. So these are the pictures of some of the sportswomen, means the women who play the sports. Okay, and they have won the medals for their sports. Okay, so fill in the blanks with name of the sport. Just see the picture of Sania Mirza. She is a tennis champion. Okay, Sania Mirza is the name of a tennis champion. She is a sportswoman. So she plays tennis. How does she play? She plays with a tennis racket and a tennis ball. Just have a look at this tennis racket and the tennis ball. Okay. Next comes Geeta and Babita Phogat. They are sisters and wrestling champions also. So Geeta and Babita Phogat are the sisters and the wrestling champions. They wrestle on the mat. On the mat they wrestle. Okay. Wrestling is also a game which is very important, and many sportsmen and women won the medals for them. Okay. Next comes Koneru Hampi. Koneru Hampi is the name of a chess player. Okay. So Koneru Hampi plays chess. She is a grandmaster. She plays on a black and white board with 16 white and 16 black pieces. Do you know to play chess? Over here you find, in the chess we find the black and white square boards. Squares are written, cut over here, and over there we find white 16 and black 16 pieces. Okay, it's a very nice game where we find elephant, soldiers, king in color, queen in color, then king is also present. Okay, horse is also present. These are the names of some of the pieces. So, this Koneru Hampi plays chess. She is a grandmaster. How does she play? She plays chess with the help of 16 white and 16 black pieces. Okay. Next comes the names of PV Sindhu and Sania Nehwal. They play badminton. See, just the pictures of PV Sindhu and Saina Nehwal, they play badminton. How do we play badminton? We play badminton with the help of a racket and a shuttlecock. Shuttlecock is this one. This is a very important for the badminton players. They just lift the shuttlecock with the help of the rackets and throw in the second court. Okay. So PV Sindhu and Saina Nehwal play badminton with the help of a racket and shuttlecock. Next comes Karnam Maleshwari. Karnam Maleshwari is a weightlifter. Just see the picture of this sportswoman. She is a great champion, and then she weighs a lift. She can pick up very heavy lift and dumbbells. Do you know what are dumbbells? Dumbbells are present for the weightlifter to lift them. Okay, just see how much weight this lady is lifting. Okay, next comes Deepa Karmakar. Deepa Karmakar is a gymnastic champion. I think you all have seen gymnastics champions. Many of you can see them in the TV also. So this is the name of Deepa Karmakar. She is the gymnastic champion. She is very graceful and flexible. Unless your body is flexible and graceful, you cannot do gymnastics. Okay. Some of you, I think you know to do yogas, then all these exercises. So they can very well do this gymnastics also, provided your body is very flexible and graceful. You can lift your body, you can fold your legs, you can do different kind of graceful postures. Okay. So in the same manner, Deepa Karmakar is a gymnastic champion. She is very graceful and flexible. Okay, so let's repeat the sporting legends and the list of these sportswomen once again. Sania Mirza plays tennis. She plays with a tennis racket and a tennis ball. Name of Sania Mirza, tennis player. Geeta and Babita Phokat are sisters and wrestling champions. They wrestle on a mat. Okay. Next comes Konedu Humpy. They play chess. She is a grandmaster. She plays on a black and white board with 16 white and 16 black pieces. Okay. Then comes picture of PV Sindhu and Saina Nehwal. They play badminton with the help of racket and a shuttlecock. I think many of you know to play badminton with and you can play them with shuttlecocks also. Next comes picture of Karna Maleshwari. She is a weightlifting champion. Just see the picture. She can pick up very weight dumbbells. And the last is Deepa Karmakar. She is a gymnastic champion. She is very graceful and flexible. So in the next video, I am going to give you some of the fill in the blanks and names of some persons who play these different kinds of sports. Okay, so be very alert. See the pictures and then try to identify them. Learn the spellings also because spellings are also important. So best of luck for your final exam. God bless you and bye-bye.